Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. The Union Cabinet has approved a continuation of National Ayush Mission as a centrally sponsored scheme from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026 with financial implication of nearly 4,607 crore rupees. Out of it, 3,000 crore rupees will be a central share and 1,607 crore rupees as state share. The mission was launched on 15 September 2014. Addressing media in New Delhi yesterday, Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur said that under the scheme, 12,000 Ayush health and wellness centers will be set up across the country to provide services of a holistic wellness model based on Ayush principles and practices. He also informed that in addition to it, 6 Ayush colleges and 12 Ayush postgraduate institutes will be set up, while infrastructure of 10 undergraduate institutes and 101 existing 50-bedded hospitals and 152 Ayush dispensaries will be upgraded. Thakur also informed that a cabinet gave its approval for changing the nomenclature and mandate of North-Eastern Institute of Folk Medicine as North-Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Folk Medicine Research. Nagaland government said that no school managements should bar any student from attending either online classes or physical classes or from appearing in examinations on account of non-payment of fees, arrears or outstanding fees, including installments. An advisory issued by Chief Secretary to private schools or unaided private institutions stated that schools cannot withhold the results of examinations of the students for non-payment of fees. It said schools have also been advised not to impose fees, charges for activities or facilities not utilized during the closure of schools. The advisory also asked the school managements to consider granting fee concession to needy and deserving students during the pandemic closure of schools if not already done. It urged the schools to sympathetically consider requests made by parents of guardians or for fee waiver on account of economic difficulties on case-to-case basis. Besides, schools are directed to ensure that all students are accessible to online education, materials or classes without any discrimination. The advisory further instructed heads of schools not to deny ID and password to students or parents for getting online access to educational facilities, classes, materials on account of their inability to pay school fees due to financial crisis during lockdown or due to death of bread earner of the family or earning parent of the child due to COVID-19. Nagaland reported 109 new cases of COVID-19, out of which 941 test results received yesterday. The state now has a cumulative total of 26,249 cases. With 49 new recoveries, altogether 23,987 people have recovered from the virus. In addition, 2 deaths related to the infection have also pushed the COVID-19 deaths tally to 502. With the daily sample positivity rate increasing to 11.58%, the active cases in the state further increased to 1,117. So far, the state has administered a total of 6,41,024 doses of COVID-19 vaccines. In order to facilitate the overlaying of deck slab on the bridge at Beducha in the ongoing Kohima-Dimapur 4-lane road construction, Deputy Commissioner Kohima, Gregory Tejavele, has ordered that all vehicular movements along the particular stretch would remain closed on July 18 from 4 a.m. to 12 noon. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.